familiarizing yourself with common cryptocurrency terms. The world of cryptocurrencies is full of unique and specialized terms that can be difficult for beginners to understand. Here is a list of some of the most common terms along with brief definitions. Cryptocurrency, a type of digital money or virtual asset that uses cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Blockchain, a distributed ledger that records cryptocurrency transactions in blocks that are encrypted. Mining, the process by which cryptocurrency transactions are verified and added to the blockchain. Wallet, software that is used to store the private keys used to access cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency exchange, an online platform where cryptocurrencies can be bought and sold. Spot trading, buying and selling cryptocurrencies on the spot. Futures trading, an agreement between two parties to buy or sell cryptocurrencies at a predetermined price on a future date. Margin trading, trading that uses borrowed money to increase buying power. Token, the native digital currency of a specific blockchain platform or project. ICO, initial coin offering, a method of fundraising for a new blockchain project by selling tokens to investors. DeFi, decentralized finance, financial applications and services that are built on the blockchain and operate without the need for traditional intermediaries like banks. NFT, non-fungible token, a unique unit of data that is stored on the blockchain and can be used to represent ownership of digital assets like artwork or collectibles. Hard fork, a change to the blockchain protocol that results in the creation of two separate blockchains. Soft fork, a change to the blockchain protocol that maintains compatibility and does not result in two separate blockchains. Bear, a term used to describe a bearish market where prices are falling. Bull, a term used to describe a bullish market where prices are rising. Whale, a large investor who can have a significant impact on cryptocurrency prices. FOMO, fear of missing out, the urge to invest in an asset simply because of the fear of losing out on a profit opportunity. HODL, hold on for dear life, a cryptocurrency investment strategy in which investors hold on to their assets regardless of price fluctuations. These are just a few of the common terms used in the cryptocurrency world. There are many resources available to help you learn more about these terms and how cryptocurrencies work.